Looking for the perfect portable vacuum to keep your car spotless anytime, anywhere? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable cordless car vacuums that blend power, portability, and convenience. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Codn LT-117 portable cordless car vacuum. The Codn LT-117 portable cordless car vacuum is designed for users seeking a compact yet powerful cleaning solution for both car interiors and everyday home use. With a motor spinning at 75,000 RPM, this device delivers an impressive suction force of up to 12,000 PA, making it effective at removing dust, pet hair, crumbs, and other debris with ease. This handheld vacuum stands out for its multifunctionality. It's more than just a vacuum, it's a versatile cleaning tool that supports suction, blowing, and inflation. Included with the unit are 6 different attachments, such as a floor brush, suction nozzle, and cleaning brush for vacuuming, along with a mouthpiece and inflation nozzle for blowing out tight crevices and inflating small items like balloons and pool floats. This flexibility makes it suitable for a variety of scenarios, from cleaning car seats and keyboards to inflating toys. Powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, the Codn LT-117 uses a Type-C charging interface, allowing for convenient recharging in the car or via any USB port. It reaches a full charge in just 3 hours and offers up to 30 minutes of operation, providing efficient performance when needed. The device features a reusable HEPA filter that traps fine dust and allergens, helping to protect the internal components and extend the vacuum's lifespan. Its lightweight design, weighing only 0.8 pounds, makes it easy to handle and store. Additionally, it is equipped with an integrated LED light that enhances visibility in dark corners and under car seats, ensuring a more thorough clean. The Codn LT-117 combines portability, utility, and performance in a streamlined package built for modern cleaning needs. Coming in at number 4, we have the Jzoom V12 portable cordless car vacuum. The Jzoom V12 portable cordless car vacuum offers a high-performance cleaning solution in a compact and convenient form. With an upgraded suction power of 18 kilopascals, it effortlessly handles everyday messes like light sand, dust, pet hair, and other small debris across various environments, be it your car, home, or office. To enhance visibility in dimly lit or hidden spaces, it includes a green LED light that helps illuminate crevices, floor mats, and other hard-to-see areas for a more precise clean. Weighing only 1 pound, this vacuum is ultra-lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Its portable design allows it to fit neatly into car door pockets, toolbox drawers, or RV compartments. The cordless build further enhances its usability, allowing unrestricted movement while cleaning tight spots or delicate surfaces. Designed for versatility, the Jzoom V12 includes 4 multifunctional accessories for suction, blowing, and inflating. Whether you're cleaning crumbs from upholstery, blowing dust from tricky corners, or inflating swimming rings or balloons, this vacuum delivers flexible performance with its dual-function design. It features a rechargeable battery that supports up to 35 minutes of continuous use in Eco mode or 17 minutes in Max mode. The vacuum charges fully in less than 3 hours with a 15-watt USB Type-C charger and can even be recharged directly from your car, ensuring it's always ready when needed. With a single-touch debris release system, the vacuum allows for hands-free emptying of the dustbin. Jzoom also offers responsive customer support for any post-purchase inquiries, making it a reliable companion for convenient, everyday cleaning. At number 3, the Blestan LT-114 portable cordless car vacuum. The Blestan LT-114 portable cordless car vacuum is engineered for efficient and flexible cleaning in various environments, including cars, homes, offices, and even outdoor settings. Designed with upgraded technology, this handheld vacuum features 2 suction modes with cyclonic power up to 9 kilopascals, making it capable of handling everything from car seats and cabinets to cobwebs and tight corners. Its lightweight, cordless build, only 1.6 pounds, allows for maximum portability and ease of use. The vacuum's compact form and 12-ounce dustbin make it a space-saving tool that fits seamlessly into storage areas such as garages, laundry rooms, or small cabinets. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangled wires and makes it easy to clean in hard-to-reach spots. Powered by multiple 2,000 mAh lithium-ion batteries and equipped with fast-charging technology, the Blestan LT-114 offers extended usage of up to 30+ minutes after a full charge of around 3 hours. The inclusion of surge protection enhances safety during charging. An integrated LED light helps illuminate dark corners and hidden dirt, increasing visibility and cleaning accuracy. To support a comprehensive cleaning experience, the vacuum comes with a dust brush, crevice tool, and extension tube, making it effective for cleaning cup holders, baseboards, blinds, and even ceiling cobwebs. The vacuum also features a removable, washable, and reusable HEPA filter for better air quality and longer usage life. For optimal performance, it's important to dry the filter before reinserting it after washing. Whether at home or on the go, the Blestan LT-114 offers a dependable solution for everyday messes. With 24-hour technical support, warranty services, and responsive customer care, Blestan ensures a satisfying and worry-free experience. In the second spot, we have the Monozel VC028 portable cordless car vacuum. The Monozel VC028 portable cordless car vacuum offers a powerful and efficient cleaning experience with its advanced brushless motor, delivering suction up to 15 kilopascals in max mode and 10 kilopascals in eco mode. Designed for versatility, it tackles various surfaces like carpets, kitchen floors, upholstery, and even office spaces, effectively removing dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Equipped with multiple 6,000 mAh batteries and quick charging technology, the vacuum ensures a runtime of up to 25 minutes after a full charge of 3.5 to 4 hours. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, making it easier to clean in dim areas. Its user-friendly design features a simple on-off switch that eliminates the need for constant button holding, adding convenience during extended cleaning sessions. This vacuum comes with a complete set of professional-grade accessories. The brush tool lifts debris from surfaces. The crevice nozzle reaches tight spots. And the extension tube is ideal for higher or harder-to-reach areas like blinds or ceiling corners. Whether at home or in a vehicle, every corner is within reach. The package also includes 2 durable, reusable HEPA filters that help maintain performance and air quality. An included adapter ensures safe and efficient charging. Cleaning and maintenance are made effortless with a one-click dustbin release system. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, the Monozel VC028 is lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for users on the go. Its washable HEPA filter further enhances suction longevity and prevents clogging, contributing to a consistently powerful cleaning experience. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ckikh LT-151ET portable cordless car vacuum. The Ckikh LT-151ET portable cordless car vacuum offers an impressive blend of power, portability, and practicality, making it a versatile tool for both home and vehicle cleaning. Equipped with advanced cyclonic technology and a high-speed 72,000 RPM motor, it delivers a robust 15,000 pass suction force capable of tackling dust, debris, pet hair, and more. Whether cleaning carpets, car interiors, or tight corners, its deep cleaning capability ensures reliable performance across different surfaces. To enhance its usability, the vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a long suction nozzle, brush nozzle, and an extended hose, allowing easy access to hard-to-reach areas like sofa gaps, curtain folds, and car seat crevices. These attachments make it suitable for both quick cleanups and thorough deep cleaning sessions. The unit is powered by a high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery that provides up to 30 minutes of runtime. With just 3.5 hours required for a full recharge through its Type-C charging port, it's convenient for use at home, in the car, or while traveling. Its dual filtration system, featuring 2 replaceable HEPA filters and a washable metal filter, ensures sustained suction performance and reduced clogging, while the 400-milliliter dustbin allows for easy disposal of collected debris. Weighing only 1.7 pounds and designed with ergonomic considerations such as a comfortable handle, smart lock for continuous operation, and a top air outlet to prevent dust leakage, the Ckikh LT-151ET stands out as a user-friendly cleaning companion. Whether you're at home, on the road, or in the office, this handheld vacuum is crafted to meet modern cleaning needs with efficiency and style.